All right, working on another one of the landscaping tools for the church. Cleaning it up. Gonna replace the filter and the spark plug. I went to take the plug wire off and the cotton picking thing broke on me. So I'm gonna have to replace that. Let me show you a little bit of something about it. I went to go pull it off and it came apart. Nothing actually broke. It's just this piece here on the wire that comes up to the plug. This pokes in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm hoping you can. This plugs into the wire itself like that. And then this sits on top of the spark plug. And that's all mounted into this, inside this cover. Get my fingers coordinated here. I do not see how I can put that back in there and make sure it's, I dropped it. Make sure it's in that hole on the wire. I have a couple of weed eaters in the garage that run just fine, but the spindles down at the end are junk. I think I'm gonna try to get away with replacing one of them wires on there like that. So I'll have to disassemble this body, which is I think 4 screws, stars 24. All right. So I let the degreaser and the awesome cleaner sit for a little bit. So taken care of. Tomorrow, or in the real near future, I will go chase down the filter, the new plug, install that. Been setting for a few minutes. Clean this piece real quick. I've had these in my shop for, I feel maybe a tad bit too long, but it's time to do this service for God and the church. So it's time to get it done. Get them out of the shop. Get them going, serviced, and out of the shop. All right, well, the parts are here. New filter, new spark plug, coils reconditioned, ready to go. And it's assemble time. We're gonna put this weed eater back together and call it good. Uh-oh.
And you can always scroll up too if you feel like looking for those of you that are here.
Proteus Maximus asking how far you extend. We love telling
I've got some great
Your air filter in place. All right, let's get the shaft. Clean up this mess a little bit. Get the shaft mounted, and then we'll start putting the housing back on. Okay, I think I got it right this time. It popped off on me. Let's see, is this straight? Make this straight. Okay. So, I'm going to turn it right here. And we're going to watch the clutch down there. Yep, she's turning. It's going to be just fine. All right, next we going to set the coil. Union business card should do it. Bam. All right, we got So we got the business card in place, got the star 25. Be easier just to tighten it up with the driver real quick. Yep. Okay. Now let's just do a little torque on it for a little extra insurance. Whoop, wrong way. Right. There we go. That should be correct. All right, got it all back together. See if we can make them right. I'll give you a heads up. I did start it a few times after camera or off camera, but yeah, I'm showing you it does run. Next, we'll take care of the line. Call this a success. Take it back to the church. And, well, that's a wrap.